And welcome to the channel. I am in Ripley's, believe it or not. So let's see. Now, when you first walk in, the first thing that hits you is a giant toothpick Golden Gate Bridge. Pretty cool. It's a kind of Care Bear, Cave Bear, sorry, Care Bear, fucking terrifying Care Bear.
Artifacts, cartoons on camera.
One arm paper hanger.
On May 23rd, 1949, Ripley had a heart attack while on stage.
It's a pretty cool museum. There's somebody gunning. Champion gunner. Oh. Hope I never ever become a champion gunner. Oh, matchstick cable car. That is really well done. I like that. Magic Heart Fortune, really. It's a bit in Ramskull. Oh, this looks really cool. Kaleidoscope. If you don't want to do it, there's a bypass door, but maybe me, I'm going to do this. Oh, this is trippy. Oh, I like this. Giant prehistoric shark, Joe. Hereford calf with 2 heads. Two-headed turtles. You know, turtles live very, very long lives. Imagine being conjoined with a turtle that you hated, you know what I mean? Or a human if you hated, you know. Must have been a weird thing, you know. Oh, there's a shooting gallery. I'll need to come back and have a wee shot at that. I like shooting games. Rodney Fox. Severely injured by a giant great white shark. All his ribs were broken and he needed 465 stitches to repair his torso and his hand, but he lived to tell the tale, and today is one of the world's authorities on great white sharks. Believe it or not, look at that. Oh, how horrible would that be? Oh, that's him there.
After his escape from the great white shark, nearby fishing boats spotted the threat.
Hey, you like my lamp?
It's pretty cool. I love Chinese culture and stuff. It's quite interesting, the Temple of the 72 Gables. I'll just throw that there so you can read it. One of the most beautiful examples of Chinese architecture in the world is the famous Temple of 72 Gables located in the Forbidden City complex of Beijing. This teakwood model of the famous temple is accurate down to the smallest detail. 10 men worked for a full year to complete the woodwork, and 4 men laboured 1 year to paint it. There is no metal on the model. It's amazing. It's magnificent. Oh my god. It's a fantasy coffin. Oh, that's a coffin as well. Pretty cool coffin. I'd love a coffin like that. Although I would want one. Don't want to get buried. Nah. Oh my god. 19-year-olds and she was 7'7". Died 53. Look at the size of these shoes, man. Wow. Amazing. pretty cool museum. I'm glad I did this.
Look into the hole. Look into the hole. What did you see? Go closer. Go closer.
Famous for ancient.
What's it?
Since childhood, they're feeding with brass rings to elongate their necks to an unbelievable 8 inches or more. The bizarre tradition began as a way to prevent adultery. It was believed that the rings would scare off men from other tribes. But over time, the unusual tradition.
There's a wee bit unsteady here. There's a wee bit weird walking on. Oh, there's a shrunken head.
For hundreds of years, the Shuar have lived deep in the Amazon jungle.
There's Sting's pals.
When they were discovered, they were wearing what
I thought it was the CDs they were shoving down their throat. In their mouths. Cannibal skulls.
I have traveled to over 200 countries, but in South America, I was introduced to something both deeply
Oh, cool.
disturbing and
Especially as this toothpick. It is. Toothpicks as well. Model of the Challenger.
into the land of the Shuar.
That's really, really impressive.
6 months later, a shrunken
I thought the Golden Gate Bridge one was impressive.
pair was offered for sale. The shrinking
What is
of
this?
human heads is an ancient rite of the Shuar tribe, and one which is not standard.
Ah, right. You can do these all up close. And it comes up there. What do we see? Michael Jackson. I'm not sure who that is. Oh, Jim Morrison. So I've two I was thinking, but I wasn't 100% sure. Bob Marley. Jimi Hendrix. Pretty cool. I'm just looking, there's wee pinheads up here. Presidential chalk carvings. There's a spacesuit.
That's what I'm saying.
That is really cool. Carlos Santana. I had the chance to go see him in Vegas. I wish I did. I really did. Janis Joplin. Jerry Garcia. Was that a Grateful Dead? I've got to do this one more time. I absolutely love this. It's mental, it's surreal. The whole thing. it feels like the whole thing's spinning, and you feel like you're going to go to the side and tip over because they're going to go that way. It's mental. Well, I like that. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, Star Wars. Oh, that's cool. Oh, upcycled stuff.
That's your time.
I'll kind of be glad to get out here because I'm a wee bit disorientated. What is this? Like a change visa. That's pretty cool. Bodies in motion. Oops. Oh, I could just stick on this though. That's us. That's the end of the show. I really enjoyed that. I did only a wee quick video just showing these. I'm going to go back and I'm going to have a wee go at most of the exhibits, well, as much as I can, and take a few photos for family and friends. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. That was the Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum in San Francisco. I really enjoyed that. Thank you. Bye bye.